Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Instagram app. Once it loads, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now tap on the three horizontal lines, okay, at the top right. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go to find Meta Account Center. Okay, just tap on it. Down here, just tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. Tap on it. Now in here, we have Account Ownership and Control. Just tap on it. Now in the next page, as you can see here, we have the activation or deletion. Just tap on it. Wait for the next page. Now go ahead and select your Instagram account. Okay. Now here we have the delete option at the bottom. Tap on the slider. Hit on continue. In here, select the reason. Hit on continue. And once done, scroll all the way down, just hit on continue. And once done, you'll be logged out. And after that, your Instagram account will be deleted. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.